Hi again, everybody. It's Scott with Easy Travel Pad, and today I'm coming to you from a terrific resort. It's all inclusive. It's family friendly. It's here in Los Cabos, and it's called Hard Rock. You got it, Hard Rock Los Cabos. This is, I'm gonna tell you, I hate to pick favorites, but I think this might be my favorite Hard Rock that exists. Spent a few days here, and it's really terrific. So I want to show you around. Hang in and let's have a walk around. Going to see a lot. Take it all in. We're here for questions afterward as well. So let's go. All right, so we've just arrived. We're going to see as much as we can in just a few minutes here. Upon arrival, you're going to check in. You're going to drop your bags here. People are going to escort you to the check-in area, and then your vacation starts. All right, so we just got here. We're heading to the lobby. We're listening to some Springsteen. You know, Hard Rock is all about the music. It's all about the fun. These guys are checking in. I've already done that. I'm gonna check in, but maybe check out. We'll check out Katy Perry, Taylor Swift. There's so much memorabilia here. It's crazy. All kinds of dresses, costumes, guitars, you name it. All over the place. We'll see a lot of it. We're going to see a lot more. Once we make our way through the lobby, we're going to find a terrific view of the Pacific Ocean. Now, most of the beaches here in Los Cabos are not swimmable, and this is no exception. So if you're a beach person, this might not be your place. But if you love a pool, if you love a lot of fun, if you love gorgeous settings, year-round sunshine, maybe this is it. Let's see some more. Well, like I said now, Hard Rock is all about music, and you want to check out some guitars. Well, you can actually check out some guitars here. Picks allows you to take a Fender guitar back to your room. All you got to do is just check it out at the front desk. Now, guitars are not the only thing you can check out. You can also check out a turntable and an album, whether it's Elton John, Billie Eilish, Queen. There's all kinds of things. It's all about music here. You can take it back to your room and enjoy it at your own speed. Now, after you get past the lobby and all checked in, it's been a long flight, you're probably hungry. It's only going to be just a few steps before you can come over to Cafeto. Grab a coffee, grab a sandwich, grab an ice cream. This place is open all the time. Great grab and go and excellent lattes. You know there's going to be a lobby bar, and this one is well provisioned. I've already checked it out. What you want is probably right here. Also, there's plenty of fun and games. So just off the lobby bar, we got some pool tables, we got some foosball, we got a whole bunch of games that have been playing. We got some shuffleboard. We got some guys that are enjoying themselves in here. It's early in the afternoon. Most people just getting checked in. Most of the guests that have been here for a little bit are already at the pool or still at the pool. It'll get lively here in a little bit. The Rock Shop is just one of the many gift shops that are here. Got some great outfits. Lots of gifts to take home. Typical. Lots of Hard Rock branded things. So many gifts to buy. So many cool resort clothes to put in your wardrobe. When it's time to see the show, you're going to come to the show, right? So what's the show is going to be different every night. Sometimes it's going to be karaoke. Sometimes it's going to be Latin night. Sometimes it's going to be circus show. It was terrific the other night. We checked that one out, but changes every night. A lot of fun. Starts at about 9 o'clock. There's always something going on here, though. Now, even though it's an all-inclusive resort, not everything is included. So, like, for example, bowling, that's one of those things that's going to cost just a little bit of extra if you want to go bowling with some friends. But you know what? Go at happy hour, like 3 to 5. It costs a little bit less than later at night. You're going to have some fun regardless. when things heat up a little bit later at the bowling alley, this is going to be one more bar that's active, lively, everybody having fun. Now, one other thing that is not included in the all-inclusive package is escapology. Escapology is, and it's an escape room. It's a little bit of an extra charge for this, but it's a blast to have that with your friends. So many things to do. Now, where else can you go to create your own CD, cut your own LP? It's Music Lab. You can do it here. You can jam, you can mix, you can play. You got people here to help you. Can't talk to them right now because they are on the air. But if you want to be the next music legend or just give your friends a CD for Christmas, check it out. You can do it here at Music Lab. Of course, there's a kids club. It's family friendly, right? The little guys got to have somewhere to have fun, get their party on. So at Hard Rock, it's Rock City Kids Club. It wouldn't be a proper Hard Rock resort without a rock spa. So good. We've got a lot of great cardio equipment. I was using some of this last couple of days. It's all really high quality equipment, lots of weights, good stations. Not only just this fitness room, there's also stretching room and also yoga and so much more that they offer. Now there's a really nice lighted tennis court, just one of those, but into pickleball, we've got 4 pickleball courts. Those are lighted as well. So whether it's early morning or late into the evening, it's here waiting for you. We've even got a basketball and soccer court, so whichever, but not both at the same time. The only restaurant on property that's going to require reservations is Zen if you are dining at the teppanyaki table or the hibachi table. If you are not, and just a la carte with regular Japanese or Chinese, Asian fare, reservations are not required here. There is the market for breakfast and lunch buffet. Grab what you want when you want. Chow doubles as Italian cuisine in the evenings, but also it's another additional breakfast buffet. Oh my God, the pepper shaker is crazy. Gracias. Toro is your steakhouse, and let me tell you something, it smells wonderful here in the evenings with the steaks all charred up. Terrific. And can you get a tomahawk? Yes, you can. You get a tomahawk in several of the restaurants, as a matter of fact. Now, most people love a great steak, and Toro Steakhouse is really good. But I believe that my favorite restaurant here is Los Gallos. It is authentic Mexican cuisine. It's open for breakfast and lunch and dinner. The menu is different for all 3. You gotta check this one out, guys. It's really, really good. Now this is the bar at Los Gallos. Los Gallos is one of the primary restaurants. Certainly for breakfast, it's my favorite. It's a la carte breakfast. It's terrific, really Baja Mexican themes. Lunch is excellent as well. And dinner's pretty good too, more taco based. This is what Los Gallos looks like, and we're just coming here right now for just dessert. We're just gonna have some churros. One of the great options for dining is the Mayan grill, Umo. So we're gonna take a look at Umo this evening. We've got some people that are waiting because it's very popular, and with good reason. You know, the Mayan culture, they knew how to cook, man. And, you know, as you see, the restaurant is gorgeous. We'll have a look at some of the food here in just a minute. Check out the chocolate clams with cheese, as well as a gorgeous tuna tartare. So there's a lot of pools. This is the main pool, right? And it meanders around. You can tell though, the most popular spot today, it's the hot tub. The pool pool might be heated, but the ambient air temperature is more like about 70 degrees, and it's pretty breezy this afternoon. So, it's all right. You know, people that swim up bar don't seem to matter. It is gorgeous though. Plenty of seating, lots of cabanas available. But there's only one red pool. You'll have to find this one. Looks a little different, but it's safe, I promise. There is also one adult-only pool. It's called the Rhythm Pool, and it is in a beautiful location right here, ocean front, infinity. A lot of space here this afternoon. I'm really surprised. It was pretty busy the other day, but just a little bit cool today. The view though, and this time of year you can sit here as we did and watch whales really pretty close to the shore. Anytime really from late November to late April. Check out a little bed over the water, overwater hammocks. Cabanas are available widely. Just gonna need to talk to your concierge about the cost of this. Now I told you there's a lot of pools, right? So just another hot tub, just another infinity pool, but this one's beachfront, this one's family friendly. There's a swim up part. Gotta have one of those. Some nice relaxing beds in the background. And there is, for the children, some pretty good water slides as well. That one's going back for some more. Another one's coming down here in just a minute. And with a view. Alright, so now your beachfront pizzeria is Pizzetto, and it's fantastic. Great place for lunch, late afternoon. Looks like they're setting up for a big party here on the beach tonight. It says Amore, so I gotta figure it's a destination wedding celebration dinner. Now clearly you can see that this beach is amazing. It just goes on forever. It's huge. But this is definitely not a beach for beach lovers. Not a resort for beach lovers because of the riptides. They do not want you swimming in the Pacific here. It's very dangerous. So it's great for looking at. It's great for watching the whales. It's better to be at the pool. The pools are fantastic. Alright, so that's going to do it for our tour here at Hard Rock Los Cabos. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm sure you'd enjoy the resort. It really is terrific. For a family-friendly, all-inclusive resort here in the Cabo area, it's one of the best. It's got to be top of the list. It's, you know, the cuisine's really good. The restaurants, not everything is always 100% on target, but almost all the dinners, the breakfast, everything that we had was really good. I went seafood heavy because, you know, it's a great seafood destination, but had a couple of steaks and those were really good as well. So when it comes time to plan your next great escape, please reach out to us, your friends in the travel business here at Easy Travel Pad. We're here to help. We don't charge any kind of fees, and generally our price can be lower than what you're going to find online on your own. So please reach out. Can't wait to talk. Have a great day. Thanks again.